Hey there, fellow campers, and welcome to our campsite review on Buyskop Lodge, a little-known campsite a short way north of Bela Bela. It's tarred the entire way to the turnoff to their entrance. Once at the gate, call the owner who will let you in. Then it's 2 kilometers of gravel, traversable by any type of car, caravan or trailer. Just take it slow on the 1 or 2 areas where there are ditches and water runoffs. There are only 10 campsites spread out over a large area on seasonal grass and under the shade of large indigenous trees, and one certainly has more than enough space. The entire campsite is on a very gentle slope, so do bring your leveling blocks. The campsite is suitable for all types of camping: tents, motorhomes, campers, road caravans, rooftop tents, and off-road trailers. Apart from the many trees, there's no screening or vegetation between the sites, but the space between them does offer some level of privacy. On each site there is a power point with one 20-amp plug point and two 10-amp plug points. They all take the normal 3-pin domestic plug. You'll also find a dedicated water tap and a dustbin on each site, along with both a fixed braai stand and a fire pit. There is no general lighting in the campsite, so do be sure to have a headlamp or a torch for visiting the bathrooms at night. The shared communal ablutions are modern, tiled, clean and neat. Both the ladies and the gents have 3 toilets and 3 showers. The showers are spacious in size, with 2 hooks on the back of the door and a long bench. The water was hot and the pressure was good. The ladies also has a room with a table, a basin, mirror and plugs, and this can be used for drying your hair or as a baby changing room. There are also 2 disabled-friendly bathrooms with wheelchair access directly to the shower. These can also be used as family bathrooms. The ablution block is on one side of the campsite, and with the sites being so generous in size, those furthest away are a much longer walk than those closer. At the back of the ablution is a scullery room with a single sink for washing dishes and a deep sink for the hand washing of clothes, although there are no drying lines. There is a lovely outdoor swimming pool for those hotter days and a smaller kiddies pool. A couple of swings is about all there is in the way of entertainment for children, other than there being tons of space for them to run around and ride their bikes. A walk around the periphery of the campsite and the chalet area would be enough of a leg stretch for most people, but there is also a 12-kilometer mountain biking and walking trail. On site there is also a spa where you can pre-book a massage or other packages. Just outside the gates there's ziplining, hot air balloon excursions, golf and centers dedicated to cheetah, elephant, crocodiles and so much more. The farm is fenced, but the campsite is not, and we were visited every day by zebras who passed through the campsite. The area was also busy with bird life, with the knock of the woodpecker and the squabbling of the babblers a very common occurrence. Being near Bela Bela, connecting to the internet to stream movies or the news, download or send email or make calls was no problem through either MTN or Vodacom. There is no restaurant or shop at Buyskop, but in Bela Bela, which is just 4 kilometers away, you'll find grocery stores, retail outlets, restaurants and takeaways, fuel, ATMs, and most common services. For those wishing not to camp, there are large and roomy chalets. The area has much milder winters than those experienced in Pretoria and Joburg, but the summers can be really hot, so the swimming pool and the shade come in handy. Buyskop is a campsite in an open setting surrounded by bushveld, and it's not a resort. It offers a welcome option for those not wanting to camp in the larger campsites with hundreds of other campers in often quite confined spaces. Here you are a few in a large area with peace and quiet. That gravel road that I mentioned takes you away from the main road, and as such, we heard absolutely no road noise at all. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, be well, and I hope to catch you in a campsite sometime.